Hello students, today we are going to learn how we can create Oracle Apex account by using our own workspace. So to do that, first you need to go to apex.oracle.com page. You will get the welcome screen here. Now to create a free account, you just need to click on start for free today, and from here you need to choose free Apex workspace. So just click on free sign up and you will be redirected to the sign up page. Here you need to provide some of the information like your first name. For example, I'm giving a first name called student and say TMTBCA, and here I am using the institutional account that I have for students. So for example, I'm giving student @ tmtbcasurat.org. Okay, you need to use your institutional account that you have as a email account. Here you need to provide the workspace name. For example, you can choose your own workspace name and you need to remember that then. So for example, I am using say TMTBCA2024. Okay, here is my workspace name TMTBCA2024. Here you need to provide the location. So we'll choose India from here. Then he's asking for some of the questions like, are you a new Oracle Apex? Yes. And we are using it for educational and training purpose. Again, yes. And just accept all the terms and conditions and go to request workspace. So by doing this, we have requested for a new workspace that we have asked for. Now we need to check our email address that we have provided, and Oracle Apex may have sent the email for our request. So let's go to that email address and let's wait for the email to arrive. It may take 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes it may take a longer time. See, if you are not able to get the email, you need to check whether you have provided a proper email address or not. Okay, here. Okay, so we got the email from the Oracle Apex account. Just click on it. It will show the minor details that we have requested for this kind of workspace TMTBCA2024. A username with the student at tmtbcasurat.org. Let's click on create workspace. So here it is creating our workspace. The workspace is successfully created. Now we can log in it. So let's go to continue to sign in screen. As long as you move to sign in screen, it will ask for set up the password. So we need to give appropriate password. So let me give make sure you provide appropriate password, confirm it, and just go to change password. Okay, so you can see here we got the Oracle Apex account and we can continue with the SQL workshop and app builder. Okay, here you can find out your details. The workspace is TMTBCA2024 and your email address is this. Okay, when you log out, say for example I am signing out from here and just close down the screen. Okay, and let's just open the new screen and let's say provide the oracle.apex once again. So after that you just need to go to sign in. Okay, let's sign in again. So here we have the workspace name and password. So let's go to TMTBCA2024. The ID is this. Okay, perfectly, and password I'm providing. Remember workspace for this username and just click on sign in. So here comes again. This is the home screen of Apex Oracle Builder. To create a table or to fire any DDL, DML or select statement, you need to go to SQL Workshop. Just click on the SQL Workshop and click SQL command. Okay, inside the SQL command you will find out the space where you can write your queries, and here is the space where you find out your output. So let's try to create a table from here. So let's say create EMP table, create table EMP. Okay, let's provide the employee ID. So EID, make it numeric with the 3-digit number, and let's make it primary key. Another say ename, that is a varchar2 with the 30 characters. Then say city, again varchar2, varchar2, let's say 20 characters, and say salary, numeric, and say 5 digits and 2 decimal places. Okay, so we have written the DDL statement to create the employee table. Just click on run and you will find out that your table is created here. Okay, you can also see your table inside the object browser of SQL Workshop. So just click on object browser, click on the small arrow sign beside the tables, and you will get this your table EMP, and when you click on the EMP table you will get the structure. Okay, still we don't have any data inside the table, so you will find out only a structure. Okay, no data are available right now. Right, now let's again go to SQL commands and we'll write down insert statement to insert few records into our EMP table. So for that we need to fire the insert query. So insert into EMP values, and inside the bracket you need to provide all the values that you have defined in a table structure. So first is EID, so that is 1. Another is a name, so let's say AAA. Let's then city, so let's say it is Surat, and the salary, so for example 34,000. Okay, now let's just copy this and paste it once again, and let's make it 2. Let's change the name, let's change the city, let's say the city is Vapi, let's say salary is 45,000. Let's go another 3 triple C, let's say city is Valsad, and salary is say 28,000. Okay, so now you want to insert all of these records. Okay, we have written 3 insert statements, so 3 records need to be inserted in our EMP table. So just click on run. Let's try to run this and see the error is coming once again. Value is larger than the specified precision allowed for this column. Okay, then we need to again go to object browser. Let's see the columns of the table and whether I have changed. Okay, so we need to change this number 5,2 to 5,0. Let the modify the column and scale 0. Precision 5. Apply. Alright. Now let's again go to SQL command and just paste the query. Okay, and try to run it again. Here, 1 row inserted. Now let's try to copy it 4 times and we'll change the data 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, Vapi, say Valsad, say Navsari. Alright, let's change the salaries for some employees. 30,000, let's say 23,000 and say 54,000 and just click on run. Okay, so let's run it one by one. So one row inserted, again run one row inserted, third one and fourth one. Later on we will also see how we can add multiple records at the same time by using the same query, but right now you need to select one of the record and click on run, so it will add the record one by one. Now let's again go to object browser and inside the EMP table just click on data and you will see all your records have been inserted. Okay, so this is how we can create and insert the records inside our table. Okay, you need to practice it a lot. Okay, thank you.